Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we will be continuing the third chapter in Social Science, that is rocks and minerals. In the previous class, we have studied about first type of rocks. It was called igneous rocks, and we have studied what are the major types of igneous rocks in the previous class. In today's class, we will be studying the second type of rocks which is available, which is commonly available on the surface of the earth. It is called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, these are the most common rocks found on the earth's surface and formed from the existing rocks. So these are the comparing to igneous rocks. These sedimentary rocks are commonly available on the surface of the earth. The changes in the temperature and the action of wind and water breaks down these rocks into small sediments such as pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. Now we will be studying how these sedimentary rocks are formed on the surface of the earth. The changes in the temperature and due to the action of wind and water breaks down the huge rocks into small sediments such as pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. And tell me, what are sediments? Sediments are small solid materials or matters which settle in the bottom of liquid are called sediments. So these are the major sediments of rock, which are those pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. Due to the changes in temperature and due to the action of wind and water, the big rocks are changes into these small forms of rocks called pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. These are the images of the sediments of rocks. Flowing water and wind carry these sediments and deposit them in layers at the bottom of water bodies. The continuous deposition of sediments results in many such layers. Now we will be studying how these sediments are settled in the bottom of the water bodies. By the flowing of water and wind carry these small sediments of rocks and deposit in the water bodies like river and oceans. The continuous deposition of sediments results in much layers. So it is a continuous process. The continuous deposition of sediments in the river bodies such as oceans and seas makes different layers in the bottom of the rivers. The continuous deposition of sediments result or make many layers in the bottom of the river or the oceans. When time passes over millions of years, the pressure from the upper layers squeezes the lower layers and hardens them to form rocks. Now we will be studying how these sedimentary rocks are formed in the bottom of rivers and oceans. When the time passes over a million of years, the pressure from the upper layers squeezes the lower layers, and over a time the bottom layers turn into rock. And this is how the sedimentary rocks generally form in the bottom of river bodies or water bodies. Since these rocks are formed from the sediments, they are called sedimentary rock. Okay. These kind of rocks are mainly made of sediment. That's why these rocks are called sedimentary rocks in general. Now we'll be studying what are the major types of sedimentary rock which is available on earth. First one, we'll be studying about sandstone. Sandstone, it is composed of sand and quartz grain. And in the previous class we have studied all kinds of rocks are made of different minerals. And the sandstone is composed of two types of minerals called sand and quartz grain. So sandstone is a mixture of sand and quartz grain. These rocks can be red, brown or yellow in color. So these are the major common colors of sandstone: red, brown or yellow. Sandstone is one of the most popular material used to constructing buildings. So mainly this sandstone is used to construct buildings. The Red Fort in Delhi was built using red sandstone. The Red Fort which is located in Delhi is entirely built of sandstone. So Red Fort in Delhi is an example for building which was made out of sandstone. Secondly, we will be studying about limestone. The key mineral in the limestone is calcite. So the limestone entirely made with the mineral called calcite. The calcite formed from bits of animal shells that settle at the bottom of the sea to the foam layers. Mainly this calcite mineral is formed by the remains of the aquatic animals in the seas and oceans. Over the years, these layers of shells form limestone. It is mostly found in white or grey in color. The main colors of the limestone which is available is grey or white. And it is used to making a variety of things including cement, bricks, medicines and cosmetics. So these are the major uses of limestone. We used to make cement, bricks, medicines and cosmetics out of limestone. And chalk is a common example of limestone. So chalk is a very common example for limestone. The Great Pyramid of Giza, it is located in Egypt and it is also entirely made of limestone. So it is an example of structure which is entirely made of limestone. The name of the structure is called Great Pyramids of Giza in Egypt. Next we will be studying about shale. And it is another type of sedimentary rock. It is formed due to the cementing of clay and mud particles. So the shale, another type of sedimentary rocks entirely made with the mixture of clay and mud particles. Shale is very smooth rock and can be red, black or green in color. So these are the major colors of shale which is available on the surface of the earth. What are the major colors of shale? It is available in the colors like red, black or green. And it is used for making bricks, tiles and cement. So we make things out of shale like bricks, tiles and cement. And this is the final and another type of sedimentary rock. It is called conglomerate. These rocks are formed by cementing of sediments like stones, gravel, pebbles and sand. These are the images of conglomerate, and this conglomerate is a mixture of stones, gravel, pebbles and sands. And we have studied these are the sediments of the rock, right? And these are usually found in grey and red in color. So conglomerate mainly available in two colors, grey and red, and they are often used to construction. And conglomerate is an ornamental rock, is used for decorating and polishing ornaments. This conglomerate mainly used to make or different types of ornaments. As you see here, this is one of the picture of an ornament which is made out of conglomerate. So we used to make different type varieties of ornaments with conglomerate. In today's class, we have studied about sedimentary rock. This is the second type of varieties of the rock which is available on the surface of the earth. And we have also studied different examples for these sedimentary rocks such as sandstone, limestone, shale, conglomerate are the example for sedimentary rocks. And these are the note for you. Differentiate sandstone and limestone. The answer: sandstone is composed of sand and quartz grain. Sandstone is one of the most popular materials used constructing buildings. The Red Fort in Delhi was built using red sandstone. The key mineral in limestone is calcite. It is used to making a variety of things including cement, bricks, medicines and cosmetics. Chalk is a common example for limestone. Okay, please copy down these notes into notebook and read the textbook minimum 5 times and get signature from your parents. We will be seeing in next class. Thank you.